In your gut, you feel utterly sickened and appalled and disgusted at the genocide that's happening, and that the international community is not doing enough. Artists have freedom of expression, freedom, as does everybody in society. Of course, everybody has to operate within the law, and it's a matter for any police authority to determine that. But you know what I'm much more concerned about? Ending the genocide that's happening in Palestine, ending the genocide that's happening in Gaza, ending the fact that there are children being starved today, and that there are people potentially being shot whilst queuing for aid. I welcome the fact that in the last number of days there seems to be growing momentum towards a ceasefire. I'm disappointed that a week on from the publication of Ireland's Occupied Territories Bill, where we're going to become the first country in Europe to take action in line with the ICJ and ban trade with the occupied Palestinian territories, we haven't seen one other country step forward. I again renew my call today for politicians of all hues, and not to play party politics here in Ireland, but let's put our shoulder to the wheel and use our political contracts across Europe. You know, where are other governments who deeply feel deeply on this? Where are they in terms of their own legislation? So my focus this week is on using every bit of diplomatic influence Ireland can, working with partners in the region to try and help bring about a ceasefire, progressing our own domestic legislation here to say that you cannot continue to carry out trade with an occupied Palestinian territory in contradiction with the international court of justice.